Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a goose that laid golden eggs. This was no ordinary goose. The goose was white as snow, its feathers shone like gold, and its eggs were worth a king's ransom. But the goose was very, very lazy. It preferred to loaf around all day instead of laying golden eggs. Oh, well, that's just the life of a goose, you might think. Well, not this goose. You see, this goose had big dreams. It wanted to be famous, to have its face on coins and statues, to be known all over the land. In the morning, she woke up early, put on her finest dress, braided her hair, and then went to the market to sell flowers. As soon as she began to sing, the king was mesmerized. He offered her a seat by his throne and promised her a noble title and a royal pension if she would sing for him every night. And so every night after dinner, Greta would come to the palace and sing for the king. "Morning," said Greta to the first man she met. "Good morning," he replied. "I don't want gold or jewels," she said. "All I want is for you to buy me a small cottage near the market so that I can continue to sell flowers during the day." The king agreed. And soon Greta had a lovely new cottage all to herself. From that day on, the goose laid a golden egg every single day, and Greta was finally able to live in comfort. The next time the king invited her to sing in the palace, she wore one of her golden egg dresses and sang the king a song about a lazy goose and a poor girl who found a golden egg. The king loved the song so much that he made Greta his court singer and gave her even more money. And so Greta and the golden goose lived happily ever after. And then he stopped. "Wait a minute, is that really you?" One day, though, the goose followed Greta home. And when Greta opened the door to her little cottage, the goose waddled right in. "Oh, please leave," said Greta. "I don't have time to take care of a lazy goose." But the goose just stared at her and said, "If you don't take care of me, who will? All the kings in the land are trying to buy me, and I hear them talking about how valuable I am. They want me to have babies, but they don't want to take care of me. They're just trying to make more money. Only you, Greta, seem kind enough to take care of a poor old goose." And Greta couldn't help but feel sorry for the goose, so she took care of it and fed it grain. The beautiful singer from the other day. "Yes, it's me," said Greta. And then the man told her, "You must come sing for my king. He's having a party tonight, and you're just the entertainment I'm looking for." Greta was so excited. Finally, someone was going to recognize her talent, but it was too lazy to lay eggs. So its dream of greatness remained just a dream. Meanwhile, in a small cottage on the edge of the kingdom lived a poor girl named Greta. Now, Greta wasn't your average girl. She woke up every morning before the sun, and every day she would walk barefoot to the market to sell flowers so that she could buy food for herself and her little brother. The goose was trying to lay an egg, but it couldn't. And the more it strained, the more the crowd laughed. When it was Greta's turn to buy her flowers, she found that her money had disappeared. And when she turned around, she saw a little girl running away with her pouch of coins. "Oh dear," thought Greta. "How will I buy food now?" Greta was known all over the kingdom for her beautiful singing voice. And as she walked by, she heard the goose loudly complaining about its aching back. All of a sudden, Greta had an idea. She walked into the palace and asked the guards if she could take care of the goose in exchange for some food. The guards agreed, and soon Greta was walking out of the palace with a sack of grain and a grumpy goose by its side. But she was too poor to buy nice clothes, so most people didn't know how talented she was. One day, while walking through the market, Greta saw a crowd of people gathered around a goose. As Greta walked home, she passed by the palace where the lazy goose lived. When Greta got home, she gave some grain to the goose and then went to bed. That evening, Greta arrived at the palace, and the king and all his courtiers were sitting in the throne room waiting for her to sing. The next morning, the king sent for Greta and asked her what she wanted as her reward. Whenever Greta walked past the palace, the lazy goose would complain and complain. Greta didn't pay any attention to it. Then one night, the goose laid an egg, and when Greta cracked it open, she saw that it was filled with gold.